Racing just is started. We have Tabel break quickly at the start. Arranque running by the Rizal Juwon. Gran Torino and Flawless is on the outside. Back to the leader. We have Arranque. Tabel is running by the rail. 4 lanes further back in third comes Gran Torino. Alongside now is Flawless while Juwon is still racing in less by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Arranque. By our ahead, Tabel is running by the rail second, and 6 lengths further back in third. Now is Olajuwon. Gran Torino is in the middle portion. Flawless is on the outside Pippa. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Arranque by about 2 lengths. Tabel in second. Olajuwon now trying to get closer in third. Gran Torino is down on the inside. Flawless is on the outside Pippa. Inside the tres octavo. We have Arranque by only a length and he have Gran Torino now moving up for the outside. Flawless Olajuwon in the middle while Tabel now racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Gran Torino by about 2 lengths. Olajuwon in second, Arranque, Flawless, Tabel, and as they swing for home we have Gran Torino this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Olajuwon in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Gran Torino followed by Olajuwon, and finally it's Gran Torino, Olajuwon, Flawless, Arranque, Tabel.
Magaling. Gran Torino.
Sabi mo, di ba, parang ayaw magtrabaho dun sa just before the half